In this video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall any application or software from your PC or laptop. You may face numerous problems to run any application or anything else. So for doing uninstall, you have to go first of all, click one Windows button and just to go here on setting. Then click one apps. Then find out here which application do you want to uninstall. So I am going to uninstall just this LinkedIn. So just click on uninstall and again on uninstall. So it's completely finished. Then this application just fully vanished from your PC. So this is the process. And if my video be helpful or good, please subscribe and don't forget to like.